Good morning, LA Appliance Guy here. Had to throw on the old wrinkly flannel. Man, it's like ice cold out there. 50 something degrees. That's cold for down south, baby. I guess it's time to make some chili. But we got a couple of refrigerators to check this morning, so let's get to it. Good morning, y'all. LA Appliance Guy here. We got in 3 refrigerators: a Kenmore Frigidaire, a Whirlpool, and a Frigidaire. Let's see what they do. All right, let's plug in the Frigidaire first. Let's see what it says. Sounds like everything come on. Let's see. All right, the Whirlpool. Wow, the Whirlpool is dead. And the Kenmore Frigidaire, let's see what it does. The fan motor come on. Man, this thing is completely dead. Oh man, there is definitely something there. Some redneck engineering at its finest. Better unplug it. Looks like it's getting cold. Frosting. Fan motor's not running. Guess the fan motor's just bad. Make sure we're getting power to the blue and red. AC volts. Let's see. Should be these two right here. And it's warm. Now let's see what the heck is going on with this. What the heck? Oh man, that's redneck. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. We are over 800 on our way to 1,000. We'll make it before next year. Just taking this tape off to see what's under it. Oh my goodness. No, they didn't. They probably fried everything. Power to the ground. Green is the most important wire. Why? Probably fried that. Okay. Green does not go to black. Ever. All right, let's pull this out. Oh, look, I cut the most important wire. Dang it. White to black, black to black. Okay. Come on. Gotta hit the hole. There we go. Okay, moment of truth. Close your eyes. What? Come on. Holy crap. Oh, the inside fan motor, I think, just stopped. Or I thought I heard it. Aha! The fan motor. I swear I heard it. Let's see if it comes on. Give it a few minutes. Wow. I thought for sure it would have fried that board or blew a fuse or something. Okay. Wow. I cannot believe it's working. Well, besides the evaporator motor. Wow. Okay. Do not put the most important wire, the green, to the power. I cannot believe this thing is working. After putting the green to the power. Wow. That is crazy. Wow, this one is hot. It ain't doing crap. Ugh. Stank. Oh, man, compressor's running. We got a leak. Guarantee. All right, this should just twist. Let's see. Does it twist that way or the other way? I can't remember. Let's see. There it goes. 1 and 2. All right. And the most important one. Make sure to ground it. Whoop. All right. fan blade oil. And twist and lock the doohickey. Gotta put it on the right way. Plug it in. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Running good. $10. I give it a 10. On the whirlpool side by side, always remember, green is the most important wire. The ground, not power. Cycled off on 0. That's what we like to see. That one's junk. It ain't got no freon or it's a back compressor, but it's a goner. This one was a quick, easy fix with that evaporator motor. Simple, if you put it in the right direction the first time. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. We're over the 800 mark. We could make 1,000 before next year. That's weird. Y'all have a great day. Bye. All right, y'all. Quick truck rant today on that video. 3 refrigerators in one go. Green means ground. That'll be the key word too. Like, green equals earth. Don't put power to ground. That was the only thing I could think about on this whole video, was how they didn't fry that control board. Because that power right to the ground, and how it didn't shock me. I guess maybe because my feet weren't wet or anything, but wouldn't that have been fun? Touch the side of the refrigerator or grab the stainless handles and keyword, green means ground. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. LA Appliance Guy out. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.